She heard it all so many times that she must be a dreamer. How could she still believe things will work themselves out like they were meant to be? And she followed her heart. There's so much to discover. Yeah, years have made you older, and what you wanted wasn't meant to be. Things come and go, and it's true we need to work for a living. But when you live out of heart, you don't live at all. Is that a way that it's supposed to be? And she took a job to climb the ladder, to ensure to discover all the songs she wore in her soul, faded in a message of love. And yeah, you do well. Some say your life must be perfect. Oh, but the years made you wiser, and now you do the things you always wanted to do. But when you live out of heart, you don't live at all. Is that a way that it's supposed to be? In the midst of time, notes will find their way. When you let your heart speak, when you let your heart speak. Oh, and listen to your heart, who you want to be, who you want to be. I pull my boots back home, shake off the dust of yesterday. It's been a long while for me to stay. Well, I'm on my way to you, on my way to walk the road again. I'll be okay, I'll drop the line, my Cherokee. There was a time, you see, that I knew what we had could slip away. We filled life completely. Love ruled every day. Ooh, come on, we're gonna make our ride to meet the evening sun. Ooh, what's going Yes, I knew it from the start, setting my heart on fire. That's what you still do. Wake up, Mr. Blues, throw me a line. I will never let you down. I'm not tired of being cheated, for there's no one to blame. Oh, you let me believe that fire needs rain, that we can work it out one more time. Oh, take me out of the blues. Picking up the pieces, even if they're broken. Yes, I am a fool to hold the line. Well, it keep me going strong. Ooh. No, that is your desire. Oh, you let me believe that fire needs rain, that we can work it out one more time. Oh, well, you never take me out of the blues, and I keep holding on over and over again. Yeah, you took me a ride over the blues, and I said, ooh, and I keep picking up the pieces, even if they're broken. Maybe someday, maybe someday I'll get you over